Hello and welcome to Workbook 16 again. We're going to now look at standardized normal distribution. So we'll look at this notation. And this said means it's standardized. It's got a said score. Now when that happens, our mean is always 0 and our standard deviation is going to be 1. Actually, the variance is 1 also. I'm not talking about the variance, but standard deviation is 1. So it's always going to be, when we're talking about this letter C, said, and you see said in there, mu is always going to equal 0 and sigma is always going to equal 1. When you see that, always here you see the same thing in this question. 0 is what mu equals, sigma equals 1. And these questions are going to be very easy, so we'll go through them quickly. So go back here and you can see in our calculator on the right, I'm going to put in 0 for the mean, I'm going to put 1 in for the standard deviation. And each of these questions I do here, all of them, is going to be the same case. So just press OK here. Now I need to look at the signs. This is less than. So this is great. Less than has been selected on the calculator. So I'm going to put in what we have here, which is 0.48. And we've got an answer here, and that's my answer, which is going to be 0.684. The probability of selecting that is this. Now we're going to go with this one is greater than. So let's scroll over and do greater than, press OK. Let's do greater, here's greater, press OK. And we've got now 0.95. Here, press OK. Now again, I can just keep doing this because in each case, our mean and standard deviation is always going to be this because it's said. So this is going to be 0.171. I like 3 significant figures. This one here, again, look at this, it's greater than. Don't worry too much about the equal sign, it's greater than. So we're going to go scroll over and change this to 1.65. Press OK. We've got our answer here, which is going to be 0.0495. I like 3 significant figures. This one here we're going to do next, and it's less than. So let's change our area to be less than. Up here is less. And we're going to change this to being negative 0.52. And we've got our answer here, which is 0.302. 3 significant figures. There's the answers for those done. This one here we're going to do now question 2. Question 2 is the same job again. We're going to look at this is in between. So let's change it to an area in between, press OK. And we're going to stick in 0.1, press OK, and we've got 1.5. Okay, so this is going to be 0.393. B, change it to negative 1.5, scroll over to 0.4, press OK, and that's our answer. 0.589. Now in each case it says said, so I can use the same as beforehand, just substitute them in because the mean equals 0, sigma equals 1 because there's a said there and a said here. Every time you see a said, that's what we're doing. So we're going to now change it to negative 1.2, scroll over, and that's negative 0.2. And this is our answer for the third one, 0.306. That's it done. Thank you very much for watching.